lentil beans with carrots. Today, on Grandma Bessie's house, we are turning on the crock pot and slow cooking our lentil and carrot soup. The recipe and its ingredients are in the video's description. Spray crock pot with nonstick spray. Peel and slice carrots. Add carrots to the crock pot. Mince shallots. Add them to the crock pot too. Take a moment to give this recipe a thumbs up and share it. Check out our channel for other soup recipes. If you enjoy our recipes, subscribe below and click on notifications to stay up to date on new recipes. Gather lentil beans and rinse them. Add lentils to the crock pot. Gather herbs de Provence. Salt. And pepper. Add dried spices to the crock pot too. Pour in broth. Cover with a lid and cook 6 to 8 hours. What are your favorite slow cooker soups? Let us know. Comment below the video with your response. After 6 to 8 hours, stir soup. And set some aside to cool. Gather whipping cream. Pour cream into soup. Pull and shred chicken. Place chicken into soup. Combine. Cover and cook 20 minutes. Place cooled beans into a blender and process until smooth. Add pureed beans to soup. Stir and cook an additional 10 minutes. If you are enjoying this recipe, like and share it. Also help our channel grow by subscribing below. After 10 minutes, serve this comforting soup. But first, roughly chop parsley. And garnish soup with fresh parsley. Thank you for watching another episode of Grandma Bessie's House.